If you're using Ubuntu, you can easily open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T. Once the terminal is open, we'll begin by gaining root access with the command sudo I. To check the current user, type whoami. You can exit the root user by using the exit command. Now, let's install pip by switching to the root user with sudo su and then entering apt install python 3 pip to install Python's package manager. Verify the installation of Python by running python 3v. Great! Now, let's install virtualenv and virtualenv wrapper by using the command pip install virtualenv virtualenv wrapper. Next, we'll create a directory for our virtual environment. Type requirements.txt to create the directory. Now, let's install Vim, a powerful text editor, by using sudo apt install Vim. Locate the virtualenv-wrapper.sh file. Use sudo find-inami virtualenv-wrapper.sh. Once found, open the file with Vim by running vim basher. Within Vim, add the following lines. Export virtual env wrapper python equals usr bin python 3. Export work in home equals .venv, and source usr local bin virtually env wrapper.sh. Save and exit vim by typing wq. To apply the changes made to bashrc, run source bashrc. Now, let's check the version of virtualenv by typing virtualenv version. To create a virtual environment specifically for ChatGPT development, enter virtualenv python 3 chat for Python developers. You can activate the environment with work on chat for Python developers. Great job! Now you're in your virtual environment. Feel free to start working on your ChatGPT projects. Remember, you can deactivate the environment at any time by running deactivate. That concludes our tutorial on getting started with ChatGPT development, installing Python, pip, and setting up a virtual environment. I hope you found this video helpful and feel confident to explore the world of ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy coding!